once again perfect analysis on the price of Bitcoin. And I made a video on last Friday and today is Monday. Perfect analysis and exactly the price of Bitcoin went to our target. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Ignore the intro, and the main thing that I want to share in today's video is my trade analysis that I did on the price of Bitcoin in front of you guys, which went in profits, and also some more analysis that I want to share with you. So each and everything I will be discussing. So first of all, this is the Bitcoin trade right here. I hope you already know it. And we went long, and I went long. Especially I just recommended you guys to take a trade, but do your own analysis on it as well. My main analysis was simple, that the price of Bitcoin was dumping towards the downside last week, but it never did a closing below my support zone. This is a very important support zone right here. And also the price of Bitcoin was in a downtrend. I told you all, high, lower low, lower high, and then a new lower low. So I decided to go long over here, and I told you all that my first take profit will be somewhat over here, because this is a very important level right here, because of the resistance of the trend line. This is a very important level, and if you look closely, the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this resistance of trend line and then exactly did a retest. You can clearly see right here. This is how perfect levels are. If you be simple and only trade on price action, definitely you can make profits with proper risk and money management as well. And if I zoom in, you can clearly see how exactly the price went to my take profit area at $65,546 level, and I have not changed this level at all. If you can watch my previous video and compare it. So yeah, this is my Bitcoin trade, currently in profits perfectly. So now what I will do is I will switch my stop loss from, this was the break even point, so even if this trade goes against me, I will lose nothing. Now what I will do is I will switch my stop loss from here to here, somewhat over here till 62,300. So now basically if the price of Bitcoin reverses from here also, still I will be in profits. I will book my profits at 62.3 level, and my next target is, obviously the price of Bitcoin has to do some kind of a consolidation or a retest, because you can clearly see it is giving green candles incessantly, continuous green candles, 1 2 3 4 5. So obviously there has to be some sellers in the market. Buyers are already exhausted. This is the simple candlestick psychology that I'm sharing with you all, so do learn from it as well. That's why I'm hoping for a rejection or maybe a consolidation before a massive move towards the upside. I am aiming for a next target all the way up till here at $68,700. Why? Because this hole is a very important resistance zone right here, from 65,500 approx to $68,700 approx. This is a very important level. To our Tron trade right here, TRX Tron, and I shared a tweet on my Twitter that exactly our second take profit also got hit on Tron back to back without any loss or without any much trouble. Now my next target will be all the way up till here at 0.618 fib level. So first of all, let me just give you a brief explanation. I entered long in Tron somewhat over here, same exactly as Bitcoin only, because you can clearly see Tron was in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, new lower low was made, so there are chances that price of Tron can make a new lower high. Also it was near my important support level right here, or you can say support zone, from 0.1105 to 0.106. It gave a bullish candle. I entered on a retest, it did a breakout and then a retest. I entered over here. Now my first target was somewhat over here. If you remember my video, I already told you same logic, because the trend line is a very important resistance. But my main target, if you all remember, was this purple zone right here. If you all remember this purple zone, it is a very important target, from 0.120 to 0.123. This is a very important level, and if you look closely, exactly the price of Tron also managed to come at my level and my take profit area exactly. So this is the power of levels. If you know how to draw them, then the price will definitely come to your levels. I'm not saying 100%, but with proper risk and money management you can make profits as well. So back to back 2 targets hit on Tron. Now what I'm aiming for is, my stop loss is somewhat over here at approx 0.1166. so now my third target will be this blue line. And why I'm saying this, if I draw a Fibonacci tool from here, from this high right here to this low right here, so you can clearly see the 0.618 level right here. I hope you can see this level exactly, and I hope you already know that 0.618 level is a very important Fibonacci level. So I'm going long here, and yeah, I hope this is my next target, 0.618. let's see what happens. And I'm holding my Tron trade as well, so already booked a lot of profits. Now my third take profit already, you know, 0.129 approximately. Guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand each and every analysis that I did on Bitcoin, Tron, and other cryptos as well. And remember my silver trade, that also exactly went to the profits. Congratulations to all. And I'm not boasting here, but the main thing is, I also occur a loss many a times. If you have watched my videos, I accept it. I do occur a loss, and I accept it on my Twitter as well. But the main thing is the proper risk and money management. If you follow proper risk and money management, then for sure the losing trade can also turn into winning trades as well, and you can manage your capital accordingly. Do follow me on my Twitter for latest trade updates and many more crypto related updates right there. Also, if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you want to trade Tron or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can get up to $30,000 gift for free, and yeah, you can create an account for free as well. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.